Hey friends, this is Atif Hope here. Well, and welcome to the new update on Zilliqa. Zilliqa is still moving above the support of 5 cents and rejected by this previous support of the triangle, and you can see it was trying to re-enter the same triangle, but it is rejected. And at the same time, Bitcoin was also trying to break out the resistance of the descending triangle on the same time frame, on the 4-hourly time frame chart, but it is also rejected and dropped this at the support of this triangle. And in today's video we will take a look at the next expected move of Zilliqa. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me to recall this very big breakout from this very big falling wedge pattern. And you can see that the price line after a big rally found a resistance here at 23 cents. That was also the target for this falling wedge pattern as well. That was the top of this falling wedge and target for that. And we moved down again, and still price line is moving above the previous resistance of the wedge and using it as a support. And we are also having a very nice support of the 200 weekly simple moving average. And if price line will start the next move from here, that will be ideal move, because after such a big breakout, if it is testing the previous resistance of the wedge as a support, and the next step can be to start a next rally from here after some accumulation. So far so good. It is testing the previous resistance as a support and did not break it down. And at the same time, if we take a look at the Bitcoin chart, Bitcoin is also testing a very strong support of $28,600, and Bitcoin is not also not breaking down that support. So if Bitcoin starts to move there from there, then Zilliqa can start a bigger move from here, from this support. Now, if we take a look at the oscillators, then here you can see that the stochastic is showing that market of Zilliqa has entered the oversold zone. Previously, you can see whenever it was touching the support support of this wedge, and if it was oversold, like stochastic was oversold, then you can see stochastic was turning bullish, price line was turning bullish. Same happened here. This time we are not testing the support of the wedge. This time we are testing this support that was previously working as a resistance of the falling wedge pattern. Now testing that level as a support, and it has entered the oversold zone. Once stochastic turns bullish from this oversold zone, and we will once more receive a bull signal, like this blue line will cross this orange line, then there will be a very high probability that Zilliqa will start a very big rally from here, because we are already out of a very big falling wedge resistance. Now if we take a look at the 4-hour time frame, sorry, this is here we have the on the 4-hour time frame, then we can see Zilliqa broke down the support of the ascending triangle. At the on the other hand, Bitcoin has formed this descending triangle, and you can see after the breakdown, when Bitcoin moved up to break out the resistance, at the same time Zilliqa also moved up to break out the same support of the triangle as a resistance, but it is once again rejected. Now if we take a look at the target to the downside after this breakdown, that we can see here we have the target at 3.9 cents approximately, or 3. Yes, here we have the target of at 3.9 cents, but as I have been telling you, that below 3.9 cents we have a very strong support of 3.7 cents that the price line never broke down. This is the support. You can see it has been breaking as a support here. Yes, before that it was breaking as a resistance here, and this is the support of 3.7 cents, and here it was breaking as a support back in 2018. And once it was broken down here, it was breaking as a resistance, and here we had a slight rejection on the weekly time frame. And since after December 2020, price line never broke down the support. We tested the support here, we tested the support here several times, but moved up again. And right now we have already tested, by the way, on this candlestick, this support, and moved up even above the resistance of this wedge. And for example, if after breaking down this triangle, if it will move more down to test to hit the target of the triangle, then we can expect one more test. But unless this support of the Bitcoin's triangle is not working down, I'm not expecting that it can move down to hit the target for this triangle, that is approximately 3.9 cents. So if Bitcoin breaks out from here, the resistance of this triangle, like at this time, it is likely to have another bounce from the support. You can see whenever it is touching the support, it is getting nice bounces to the upside. So right now it is likely to start a bounce, but it is not confirmed so far. And once it will reach the resistance and break out the resistance, then Zilliqa can also break the same resistance of the triangle that was previously broken down. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because there I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.